আচ্ছা, অনেকদিন পর দর্শক বন্ধুদের সঙ্গে শেফ ঋষি কুমার দেব কুলিনারি কমফোর্ট থেকে একটা ইজি রেসিপি নিয়ে আপনাদের জন্য। নামটা একটু পরে বলছি। সবার প্রথমে জানেনই তো, কোনো কাজ শুরু করার আগে হাতটাকে ভালো করে স্যানিটাইজ করতে হবে। বুঝতেই পারছেন সিচুয়েশনটা খুব একটা ভালো না, সেই জন্য আমরা কি করছি, হাতটাকে আগে ভালো করে স্যানিটাইজ করে নিচ্ছি। মন সবসময় স্যানিটাইজ থাকে, আমরা হৃদয় দিয়ে রান্না করি, সুতরাং হাত স্যানিটাইজ করলেও হৃদয় কিন্তু সবসময় আছে রান্নাটা। যাই হোক, তো আজকে আমরা একটু চিন্তা ভাবনা করলাম যে যদি একটু এমন ধরনের কিছু রান্না করা যায় যেখানে ইনগ্রিডিয়েন্টস খুব নিমিত্ত মাত্র, খুব নিমিত্ত। যদি বলেন কি কি, উদাহরণস্বরূপ বলতে পারি একটু বাঁধাকপি আছে। বাঁধাকপি শুনি হয়তো অনেকে ভাবছেন আজকে হয়তো শেফ রিজু আবার একটা কোনো ইন্ডিয়ান প্রিপারেশন বা কোনো একটা বাঙালি প্রিপারেশন করবে না। আজকে কিন্তু আমরা বাঁধাকপি দিয়ে আর সঙ্গে একটু চিকেন দিয়ে একটা স্টু বানাবো। নিমিত্ত মাত্র, একদম খুব অল্প পরিমাণে আইটেম যেটা দিয়ে তৈরি করবো একটা স্টু। এবং সবচেয়ে বড় কথা হচ্ছে এই স্টুটাতে হাফ চামচ বাটার যায়, তেল যায় না, ঘি যায় না, হাফ চামচ বাটার যায়। আর আপনারা যদি চান you can definitely omit the butter. So let's start our recipe that is called cabbage and chicken stew. So first here I took around 150 grams of chicken. It can be extended to 175 grams also. Then a little bit of bay leaf, maybe 2 or 3. Some slit green chilies as per your taste buds. I do prefer a little bit of extra spicy, but please keep in mind your green chili will be absolutely seedless. There will be no seed. We want only the skin. I will be putting a little bit of black peppercorn, whole black peppercorn, and 1 inches ginger which is crushed. After that 200 ml of plain water. It can be stock also. Suppose you are making chicken today, you can bring some bones from the market and you can definitely make some lovely chicken stock. But here I just took a little bit of water. So now what we have to do, we have to boil. The chicken should be properly washed. Now we have to boil. So once we start the boiling, just increase the temperature around 1000 and put the lid, and after that set the timer around 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. So now it's basically need to be boiled. So here we are almost 12 to 15 minutes. So now what we have to do, we have to take out the impurities, scum, which is not good for our health. Though we have clean the chicken very properly, but still once you boil the chicken, definitely there will be a little bit of these things, your impurities, which is coming into the top. We are not supposed to throw it out the water, because this water is almost kind of a stock, because we have a lovely flavor of bay leaf and deseeded green chili, peppercorns and ginger. So here I feel a lovely smell, very very lovely smell. So we have taken out all the scum. Okay, now give a gentle stir to the chicken. I always prefer the boneless, not boneless exactly, with bone chicken, but a minimum of bone. For the stew, always try to take the as less as much possible That's the chicken bones. There should be a small pieces. The pieces should be like that, 35 to 40 grams of pieces. So you just noticed here I have taken 3 pieces of solids along with a little bit of these things bones, and rest 4 pieces a little bit more bones. So from the bones we get the maximum flavor. So our chicken is almost 75% cooked. Now we will be giving a little bit of extra punch, or you can say flavor. So first we will be using a little bit of garlic leaf, or you can say chives, readily available in the market. One of my favorite. Very little bit of freshly cut coriander, and give a gentle stir. See, here I put a little bit of root, coriander root. See, this coriander root gives a extra flavor. I always prefer coriander root rather than the coriander leaf, but definitely leaf is also very good, but root gives an amazing flavor, and fresh coriander is always a like wow. So as it's a chicken and cabbage stew, so here I put a little bit of cabbage. Please keep in mind I put here 150 to 175 grams of chicken, and here is 60 grams. So I just measure all the items. Cabbage, as well is very good for health. It's a green things, is readily available in the market. So now if anyone can ask me that, chef, once I make the stew, so we can't put a little bit of these things, your carrot, potato, beans, whatever the stew. Definitely you can, but that is absolutely cabbage and chicken stew. So here we are not supposed to put anything. And again I have to put a lid, and again I have to boil it for more 5 minutes. So here we go. Our cabbage is also ready, chicken is ready. So first just take out this bay leaf. We don't require whatever the flavor, we have already taken out all the flavor. Then transfer these things in a bowl. It not means our stew is ready. Nice flavor of the cabbage, very nice flavor of these things. Coriander root, ginger, and many more. Now exactly as per my word, I have given just a half teaspoon of butter, half tablespoon, I beg your pardon, half tablespoon of butter. That's it. Now we'll be using exactly the not fine chopped garlic, a little bit of coarse one. So here I took around 1 full tablespoon of garlic. half onion, which will be like flakes type of, and we saute till the garlic and the onion a little bit of translucent. Actually there are several type of stew, যেটাই আপনি বাড়িতে বানান সেটাই স্টু হতে পারে, বাট হিয়ার স্টু বেসিক্যালি কি হয়, ফ্লেভার যেটা দেওয়া হচ্ছে সেই ফ্লেভারটাকে ইনকর্পোরেট করানো। আপনি ইচ্ছে করলে গাজরের স্টু বানাতে পারেন, আপনি ইচ্ছে করলে বাড়িতে বিনসের স্টু বানাতে পারেন, চিকেন স্টু তো ডেফিনেটলি হয়। ইভেন ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট ইউ ক্যান মেক দ্য পটেটো স্টু অলসো, দ্য সুইট পটেটো হুইচ ইজ ভেরি গুড ফর হেলথ, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় রাঙালু বলে থাকি, আপনারা কিন্তু ডেফিনেটলি রাঙালু দিয়েও খুব ভালো স্টু বানাতে পারেন। সেই আওয়ার অনিয়ন ইজ আ লিটল ট্রান্সলুসেন্ট অ্যান্ড সাইড বাই সাইড আওয়ার গার্লিক ইজ অলসো little bit of brownish in color. We require a little more brown the garlic, little more, not dark brown but little more brown the garlic, that gives a lovely flavor. Butter, garlic, wow. So here I just smell the aroma, feel the aroma, see the color, good color, almost brown. That's it. Now reduce the temperature and again put down the entire thing. So you can say it's basically kind of tempering, definitely you can say, to impart the garlic flavor into the stew. Again, last but not the least, we'll be applying a little bit of crushed black pepper. It will be around half a teaspoon. That's it. Always put this black pepper extreme end, otherwise your color of the product is getting a little blackish. Now a little bit of salt as per taste. I always prefer salt should be little less in the food. Later on you can add. Now put in a high temperature and add it rest of coriander root for some more flavor. Some more garlic leaves or chives. That garlic leaves is optional. If you want you can give, otherwise don't give, no issue. Definitely it's my habit, just taste the food. So a little bit of salt is required. That's it. Stir it properly. And your chicken stew is ready to serve. Take a bowl, flame off, put the bowl,
cabbage, chicken. Actually, it's not exactly required to put the garnish on the stove. If you want, you can put a little bit of chopped coriander. So here we have a fill of. Last but not the least, king of lime, freshly plucked and squeezed. A king of lime. If you want, you can give the normal lemon also, normal lime also, but I always prefer this phenomenal asset of our culinary history, that is king of lime. So here we go, a bowl of cabbage and chicken stew. If you want, you can put a slice of lime on the side, or maybe if you want, you can put on the top. Choice is yours. So here we go. This thing is without roti, without rice. You can have it as it is. So thank you very much. That's all for the day. Next, see what type of menu we will plan, and we will definitely input your idea also. So please send some idea. Thank you very much.